In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for Web3 and blockchain topics fast and easy. Whether you're delving into the world of cryptocurrencies, NFTs, or any area within the Web3 landscape, Google Trends is an invaluable tool for staying up to date with the latest search trends. Let's dive right into how you can leverage this platform effectively. First, you'll want to access Google Trends by opening your preferred web browser. Simply perform a quick online search for Google Trends and click on the first link you come across. This will bring you to the Google Trends homepage, where all the magic happens. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Explore button. This will allow you to start searching for specific trends and topics. Now, if you're working with Web3 and blockchain, there are a plethora of keywords you might want to investigate. Enter terms like Web3, blockchain, NFT, DeFi, smart contracts, DAO, or crypto wallet into the search bar. These can range from broad subjects to niche topics depending on your focus area. After typing your desired keywords, press Enter to view the trend graph. This graph is where you'll see the search interest for the terms over time. It's a great way to visualize how these topics are trending and to spot any emerging patterns. Now let's set our location and time range to tailor the data to our specific needs. You can select a target region or country, such as the United States, or a more localized area. For the time range, you might want to explore the past 12 months to gauge recent interest levels or expand it to the past 5 years for a more comprehensive understanding of long-term trends. Next, use the Interest by Region feature to pinpoint where your chosen topics are most popular. This can reveal regions where your content might gain the most traction, allowing you to tailor your strategies more effectively. Scrolling down further, you'll encounter Related Topics and Related Queries. These sections provide insights into other emerging trends and ideas. Keep an eye out for rising or breakout keywords, as these indicate fast-growing interest. Examples of such keywords could be Layer 2 blockchain, AI, ZK rollups, Web3 gaming, or tokenization. Finally, take advantage of the Compare function by clicking on the plus Compare button. This allows you to assess interest in multiple keywords side by side, such as comparing Web3 with DeFi and NFT. Such comparisons can help you determine which sector is currently attracting more attention, guiding your focus to where the demand is. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Google Trends to stay informed on Web3 and blockchain topics. Being able to monitor and analyze these search patterns not only keeps you ahead in the blockchain space, but opens new avenues for content creation and marketing strategies. Happy exploring!